Hi, welcome to this video. Creating a pivot table in Excel is a simple drag and drop process that summarizes large data sets without writing complex formulas. First of all, select your data, right? Click any single cell inside your organized, inside your organized data table, right? Next, go or insert the pivot table. Go to insert, the very top here, scroll a little bit down to find pivot table, right? And just select from table or excuse me, the data range, right? Now in the pop-up box, select whether you want it placed in a new worksheet or an existing worksheet, right? Then hit create or OK, right? Now you can build your report. On the right side, you will find or you will see basically a pivot table fields panel containing your column headers. Drag these fields into the 4 boxes below to organize your data, right? Like for example, rows is basically groups data into horizontal rows. For example, salesperson region. Columns groups data into vertical columns, e.g. months, product categories. Values, right, is when you calculate your numbers. For example, sum of revenue, average of sales, count of orders. Lastly, filters allows you to isolate specific data at the top of your report, e.g. specific departments. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.